As part of their 2020 holiday collection, Dior released two 5-color eyeshadow palettes named Golden Snow and Black Night. These two palettes are made in Italy and are retailed for £50 or $63. Black Night has one matte black eyeshadow and four with different levels of shimmer and sparkle. All eyeshadows are very pigmented, creamy, and easy to work with. I suggest you apply foundation and concealer after the eyeshadows, since they generate quite a lot of dark fallout. You can get full looks using only this quad, but they will all be very dramatic, independently of using the silver all over the eyelids or one of the other darker colors, as you can see by the two looks that I'm showing you. If you like this mini review, subscribe to my channel for more similar content. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon.